Here's some exciting news for Samsung fans. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy S25 Slim alongside the S25 series this year. Renowned leaker Tarun Vats has unveiled intriguing details about the device's specs. The Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to feature a 6.6-inch AMOLED display powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Its camera setup includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x zoom. Additionally, the device is expected to pack a battery with a capacity between 4,500 and 5,000 mAh. A recent leak about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's color options has stirred debate among fans as the highly anticipated Unpacked event draws closer. IceUniverse, a well-known source, shared an image showcasing the supposed blue variant, which appeared to lean towards gray. In response, another leaker, Jukanlosreve, commented gray to clarify the discrepancy. The original source has not yet addressed the confusion, leaving fans eagerly awaiting updates. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to debut in 4 titanium finishes: black, gray, blue, and white silver. Blue, a light blue back cover with a silver middle frame featuring a blue tint. Black, a black back cover paired with a silver middle frame. White silver, a white back cover complemented by a light silver middle frame. Gray, a gray back cover with subtle gold undertones and a matching middle frame. Some speculate that IceUniverse's post may indeed depict the blue variant, whose interplay with the silver middle frame gives it a grayish appearance. Fans are now eagerly awaiting more clarity on the final color schemes. What if your next smartphone not only charged faster but boasted a bold, futuristic design? Exciting leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra are making waves even before Samsung's official announcement, with brand leading the charge. The brand unveils Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories. Pre-orders for Galaxy S25 Ultra accessories are already live, courtesy of brand. Their exclusive lineup includes the innovative grip and prism cases, alongside a collection of custom skins. These designs, which are also compatible with the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus, showcase brand's flair for bold aesthetics. Next-level case features. The Galaxy S25 Ultra case designs are particularly noteworthy, featuring larger camera ring cutouts and a dedicated LED flashlight slot to boost usability. The side frame incorporates slightly raised buttons for a more intuitive experience with the volume and power keys. What's more, brand's cases support MagSafe charging functionality through a clever design integration. Additional tweaks like subtly rounded corners lend the Galaxy S25 Ultra a refreshed, modern edge compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. Here, we have all the leaked colors and skins of the Galaxy S25 Ultra covers. Let's take a look. The grip and prism cases for the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus come with sleek back panel skins, adding a touch of customization. Early leaks suggest the S25 series will feature thicker camera rings reminiscent of the classic Z Fold 6 design, while maintaining a form factor similar to the Galaxy S24 series. Is Q2 wireless charging on the horizon? Speculation is mounting that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might include Q2 wireless charging, adding another layer of innovation to Samsung's flagship lineup. With these exciting design and functionality upgrades, Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new benchmark in smartphone technology. Samsung has officially announced the launch of the Galaxy S25 series on January 22, with all eyes on the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. Exciting details about the device's renders and colors have recently surfaced. Renowned Samsung leaker IceUniverse shared a tweet showcasing the renders and colors of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. In the tweet, IceUniverse clarified, "You can think of it as a work of netizens' imagination, but it is not the color of the real S25 Ultra, and it's completely wrong." In the comments, popular tech YouTuber Zone of Tech revealed, "We'd rendered these concepts based on the leaked SIM tray colors." IceUniverse responded, "Ok, but the color of SIM tray is a little off from the real thing. But I think the real rendering will be released soon." The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Galaxy S25 Plus have both been revealed in recent leaks, showcasing their refined designs and notable updates. Dummy units of the Galaxy S25 Ultra originating from China have surfaced online with striking images shared by Roland Quant. The Ultra model appears in silver and black with additional standard and exclusive colors anticipated at launch, including titanium blue, rumored to be its signature shade. A significant design shift for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its frame, which replaces the sharp edges of previous models with slightly rounded corners, giving it a more boxy yet elegant appearance. Slightly taller and narrower than its predecessor, the S25 Ultra features a 6.86-inch display, offering improved handling and usability. Its titanium frame, both lightweight and durable, is complemented by color-matched buttons on the right side, including 2 for volume control and a multifunctional key. The rear design includes a sophisticated camera setup with 3 large rings and 2 smaller ones housing 4 image sensors and a TOF lens. The rings feature a circular texture design similar to the Galaxy Fold 6, with an LED flash enhancing low-light photography. The vertically aligned camera arrangement in the top left corner further accentuates the device's sleek aesthetics. Meanwhile, renders of the Galaxy S25 Plus have emerged courtesy of leaker Evan Blass. Though his posts on X were removed, the images continue to circulate online. The S25 Plus retains the familiar corner radius of its predecessor, with slightly thinner bezels that make it nearly indistinguishable from the Galaxy S24 Plus. In contrast, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design is more transformative, with its rounded corners replacing the sharp edges seen in Samsung's recent flagship models. The Ultra offers a softer, more approachable look as reflected in both dummy units and leaked renders. Together, these models highlight Samsung's evolution in design, blending innovation with the brand's signature aesthetic. Let's dive into the 5 biggest upgrades in the S25 Ultra over the S24 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make its debut on January 22, and anticipation is through the roof. Rumors point to faster performance, enhanced cameras, and impressive AI-powered features as one of 2025's most awaited smartphones, alongside the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air and the enigmatic Galaxy Z Fold 7. The Galaxy S25 Ultra promises cutting-edge technology, top-notch performance, and a refined design. Here are the 5 most exciting upgrades the Galaxy S25 Ultra brings compared to its predecessor. 1. Longer battery life. While the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery typically lasts a full day, it often struggles to make it to bedtime under heavy usage. The Galaxy S25 Ultra retains the same battery capacity but introduces the new Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, rumored to deliver substantial efficiency improvements. This means you can expect not only faster performance but also noticeably longer battery life.
Samsung Galaxy AI.
The AI.
2. Enhanced AI features. Samsung has emphasized AI as a central theme for its next Galaxy devices. The S25 Ultra will showcase these advancements with AI-powered features in One UI 7, such as writing tools, spelling and grammar checks, summarizations, and call transcripts. Additionally, Bixby is rumored to receive a complete overhaul, incorporating generative AI for a more intuitive and helpful experience. With built-in access to Google Gemini and other One UI 7 AI features, the S25 Ultra is poised to compete with Apple's AI capabilities for the title of the best smartphone AI experience. 3. Improved ultra-wide camera. Samsung is rumored to replace the S24 Ultra's 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with a powerful 50-megapixel sensor on the S25 Ultra, a significant upgrade. Ultra-wide cameras often lag behind in performance, especially in low-light conditions. The new sensor could address these shortcomings, delivering brighter, sharper, and more detailed ultra-wide shots. While exact specifications remain under wraps, this upgrade could transform ultra-wide photography on Samsung's flagship. 4. Qi2 wireless charging. There's speculation that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could be among the first smartphones in the US to adopt Qi2 wireless charging. This upgraded standard offers faster charging speeds and magnetic alignment for optimal positioning. 5. A more comfortable design. While the S24 Ultra's boxy design and squared-off edges look sleek, they can become uncomfortable during extended use. The S25 Ultra is expected to retain the floating camera design and overall aesthetic, but with softer corners and edges for improved ergonomics. This subtle design refinement could make a big difference in daily usability. With these upgrades, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a game-changing flagship device. From AI enhancements to ergonomic improvements, it's clear that Samsung is aiming to deliver an exceptional smartphone experience in 2025. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.